Welcome to a video by Abraham. This is micrometer or digital thickness tester for any flat surface. These are the manual. You can measure in mm or inches or centimeters. Here we have the instrument, which is very sweet. On-off switch is this one is on-off switch. Once you have to start it, you have press it and then make it 0. Then it becomes the thickness, and press it with the pressure. This is the pressure. You can do it and check the thickness. 3.1 at different surfaces is the. You have to press it thoroughly. It can measure the thickness of even the paper. How much is this paper? It can measure the thickness of any surface, which is thick one or thinner one. Capacity is 12.76 mm is the maximum capacity. Here we have the inches and in mm, on off and 0 adjustment. But you have to check it, always make it 0, then you have to leave it and then press it thoroughly with the pressure. These are the instrument. It has whole manual is there provided. Visit the website abronexports.com. info@abron01 is email. info@abronexports.com and another is abron01@gmail.com. WhatsApp number is 9992222049. Another is 941602001. We have got other digital thickness measuring instruments and micrometer screw gauges, vernier calipers, all with us. Thank you.